In this video, I'm gonna give you guys a bunch of good ideas for last minute Christmas gifts. Lockdown you say, stores closed, I got you covered. All gift ideas are available in either grocery stores or drugstores. Coming up. Hi everyone, it's your girl Cheyenne here and welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? Here in the Netherlands, we have a new lockdown since a week or so, and unfortunately this means that for all my last minute Christmas shoppers, including myself, we cannot go to the stores anymore. All the shops are closed, except for the grocery stores and drugstores, of course. You can only order online and just hope that your Christmas presents will arrive in time. So if you haven't bought your Christmas presents in time, then stay tuned. Basically for today's video, we're gonna put together some fun and easy Christmas gift boxes. I'm gonna give you guys a bunch of good ideas for last minute prezzies. All products in this video are either available in grocery stores or drugstores, and you can make it as cheap or expensive as you want. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and let's get started. To start off, we're gonna need a box. You can get cardboard boxes for free at the grocery store, or if you have an old shoe box like this one, or if you went on an online shopping spree during Black Friday, for example, you just can use one of those boxes if you still have them. For this part, we're gonna need a box, wrapping paper, tape or glue, and scissors. To make an old box look good and Christmassy, wrap it with the wrapping paper. If you are really in a time crunch, you can skip this part, and I'll give you a little tip at the end of this video. Just make sure you know the size of the box you are going to use before you buy the products, so that your products fit the box. And if you really can't find a box, a big gift bag also works. Next step is to fill the box. How do you call these things? Paper or cardboard shreds. Well, you can shred old newspapers, magazines, cardboard boxes you're not using. Remember those free magazines they have at the entrance of a supermarket? You can use those if you don't have anything shreddable at home. If you have some small Christmas ornaments left, you can use those in your box to give it a Christmassy vibe. Up to the gift boxes. So for our first box, we're gonna make a nice hot cocoa box. I bought 5 items for this box. A mug, hot cocoa mix, marshmallows, chocolates, and a Ferrero Rocher chocolate box. Another nice idea to include in this box would be a pair of warm socks, but since they were out of stock at my store, I didn't get those. Add the Christmas ornaments and you are set. Next up is the Netflix and chill box. Who doesn't love a good movie? But since the cinemas are closed, we cannot go. Let's bring the cinema to our homes. For this box, you need the following items: a bottle of wine or soda if you or the recipient is not of a legal drinking age yet, some popcorn, a candle for the vibe, a Netflix gift card. Here in Holland, they sell these starting from 25 euros up to 150 euros. And some gum or menthol when there's some kissing involved. ... The third gift box we are going to make is a Mancave Box. I'll give the floor to you, Yuri.
So when you get a Mancave Box, obviously you need beer, right? Can't go with Mancave Box without no beer. So here's some beer, got some chips with it. We didn't go for the pizza because cold pizza, too much preparation, just go with the chips. Then some chocolate bars, some chocolate Ferrero Rochers, but let's just call them fancy kind of chocolate thingies. Because, you know, it's not just girls that like chocolate, you guys like chocolate too. And then obviously just some random things you can use in the shower, manly type kind of things.
So basically, add some non-food men's products you can get at a grocery store or drugstore. Oh, thank you, Yuri.
You're welcome.
The next box is a night-in box. It's not a night-out box, but a night-in box.
Oh, hold on. This is not a night-in box. This is an all-nighter box.
Lol, anyway, for this box you need a bottle of strong alcohol. Doesn't really matter if it's whiskey, vodka, rum, or whatever. Something to drink it from. You can also get some nice whiskey glasses. I couldn't find these, so I got some red cups instead. Ice cube bags to make ice cubes. Obviously, you cannot put ice cubes in the box, because it would melt. Well, technically you can, but I don't recommend it. And put some soda in the box to mix it up. If the receiver doesn't like to mix it, then they just drink it separately. Bam! There's your a night in or all-nighter box. So no more alcohol. Let's think of the kids and people who don't drink alcohol, of course. Box number 5 is the kids box. And for this box we need pencils or crayons or anything artsy you can find for kids. Some paper. If you can't find a coloring book in the store, just grab some white paper from the printer. Tie a ribbon around it and ta-da! Looks like you really put some effort in it. Then a game, a book, or stuffed animal. This all depends on what's available at the store. Candy and or chocolates, of course. And a cool kid's toothbrush and toothpaste to get those teeth clean after eating the candy. Pika Pika! Oh, I loved Pokemon when I was a kid. Actually, I still do, I'm gonna be honest there. Next up is our relaxing box. Next up is our relax box. For this box we need a mask for the face, some cream, a hair tie, a nice blend or tea or coffee, whatever the receiver prefers, of course, a cup to drink it from, a scented candle to set a relaxing mood, and some Christmas cookies. If you have time left, you can also give some homemade cookies. Who doesn't love those? And optional is to add a magazine. This box is all about comfort and taking the time to relax. So for my time crunch tip, when you have little time, you don't have to make the box all pretty and all. You can just close the box and wrap it like a present. And since it's a box, it's much easier to wrap because it's not in a weird shape. Just be careful with tilting it upside down. So what do you guys think? Would you like one of these gift boxes? We got the hot cocoa box, Netflix and chill box, Mancave box, a night in box, or as you might call it, an all-nighter box, a kids box, and lastly, a relax box. Let me know down below in the comments which one you like the best. Feel free to follow me on Instagram, I'll put the link down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already for more fun videos. Thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Let me know down below. Let me know down below. Let me know down below in the comments. Let me know down below. Let me know down. And the nice thing is, since it's a box. And the nice thing is, since it's a box, it's much. And since it's a box, it's.